When the technician comes to do the work, to do the inspection, the first thing that impresses me is they have a clean uniform. When they come in the house, they respect the property. If there is carpet, they put on their covers on their shoes. And then I've also inquired about their training and know that they have gone through extensive classes in training for specifics. And that is important to me, to know that they are knowledgeable about what they are doing and the type of recommendations that they're going to make based on their training. We're well pleased with the way the work has been done and the difference that it's made in the comfort level of the home. Our experience with Ray & Son has been exceptionally comforting, just to know the personnel and to know that they care about us as an individual, and know that when I call, there's a friendly voice on the other end waiting to be able to help us make sure that our problems are quickly resolved. We would recommend Ray & Son Heating and Air Conditioning Company to any of our friends, anybody